Welcome to LifeisfunnyDesigns on Etsy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own stickers from my peach set. You'll get 10 watercolor backgrounds, 5 checkbox colors, 5 lines colors, all in a vertical format, just waiting for your journal. Let me show you how easy it is to get started. Let's take a closer look at what is in this little set. There are 10 watercolor backgrounds for you. They're all 1.5 by 1.9 inches. These are all in JPEG form. I also have these check boxes and lines. These are available in JPEG, which creates a white background, and then PNG, which is a transparent background. Let me show you how easy it is to put these together. Let me go to the next slide. We're going to go to Insert, Pictures, and let's just take this one. So I'm going to click on it and insert. I'm using PowerPoint, it's my favorite, and it's already the right size. You can leave it like that, print it, or let's insert pictures. Let's say we want a squares in our picture. All I do is just bring it up, and it's kind of nice because it just clicks right in place. And there you are. It's done. There's your first stamp. Let's do another one. Let's insert a picture. Let's try this one. It's the correct size. Line it up. Remember, if you line them up on your paper, you can print right from PowerPoint. Next, I'm going to insert pictures. And let's try the tan. Now I'm using the PNG file because it has a transparent background. And there it is. Let me show you what happens when you use a JPEG background. Let's insert another picture. Insert pictures, and let's use this one. Well, I think we used that one. Let's use this one. How's that? Something different. Once again, it's the correct size. Let me show you what happens when you insert a JPEG. When I say JPEG, I mean a picture that has the extension JPG. I'm going to insert this one. You're going to notice that this has a white background, not a transparent background. But that's okay, because guess what? If I put a picture border around it, hey, I have another stamp. There's some other really cool things you can do in PowerPoint. We can actually flip it, and if we go all the way over here to color, now when you click a picture, if it doesn't come up, click Picture Format. We can actually change the color to anything that your heart desires. Go up here. Cool. Let's change it to that. Let's insert pictures. This time I'm going to insert a peach line, some peach lines. And there you go. It could be on the bottom. You could put it more in the center. It's completely up to you. The other cool thing about using PowerPoint is if I want to make my own text, I click Insert, Text Box, and let's say I want to call this Notes. Make sure I spell it right. I can change it to any font I want. Let's change it to this one. Go like this, and there you go. You have another stamp called Notes. Now there's one important thing to remember. Let's say I want to put these boxes in here. You'll notice when I put it across my image, it goes into the background, but that's okay. Right click, front, bring to front, and now you have notes. Let's see if I can, and you have lines. Wow, you got a lot of stuff. So let's go back. You have 10 backgrounds. You have all these different colors for your check boxes, all these different colors for lines. Oh my gosh, think of all the different journal stickers you can be making. I hope you enjoyed this little lesson, and thanks for watching.